Hello children, welcome back to our Google Classroom. We have discussed the topic prepositions in the previous class. What is a preposition? A preposition is a word or group of words which connects nouns, pronouns or noun phrase with other words in a sentence. It denotes the time, place or direction. We have discussed the prepositions of time and place in the previous class. Let's discuss the rest of the prepositions now. Prepositions for direction. These prepositions are used to tell about directions. For example, above. It means higher than something else. The plane flew above the clouds. Across. It means on the other side of something. Example, Columbus sailed across the Atlantic. Through. From one side of something to the other. Example, the train went through the tunnel. To. That means in the direction of. We went to Lucknow last year. Into. Towards the middle of something. Example, the frog jumped into the pond. Towards. In the direction of. Example, the puppy went towards the little girl. Onto. To show movement into or on a particular place. Example, the cat climbed onto the bed. From. The place where someone or something starts. Example, when does the flight from Amritsar arrive? From to. From beginning to end of a journey. Example, we cycled from Noida Sector 2 to Noida Sector 62. Next one, prepositions for agent. These prepositions are used to tell about the relationship between the noun and the action. For example, by. It means to show that a thing is the cause of another thing. Example, I am reading a novel by Khalid Hosseini. The tree was decorated by her. Next section, prepositions for instrument. These prepositions are used for different instruments and devices. For example, by. For traveling. Example, she went by car. On. To show use of machines. Example, may I finish my work on your computer? With. To show that an action on a noun is conducted by another noun. Example, she loves writing with her red pen. Open the lock with this key. These are the different types of prepositions. Sometimes we may have a doubt whether the given word is a preposition or an adverb. Let's discuss that topic now. Some prepositions such as up, around, through, and off can act as adverbs in a sentence. For example, Faisal brushed the dust off the books. Here, the word off is a preposition. Faisal brushed off the dust from the books. Here, the word off is an adverb. As we all know, an adverb modifies a verb while a preposition links the object to the rest of the sentence. Another set of examples. Please wait outside for a few minutes. Here, outside is an adverb. Do not color outside the lines. Here, the word outside is a preposition. There is a difference between preposition and adverb. A preposition links the object to the rest of the sentence. At the same time, an adverb modifies a verb. There will be a verb close to the adverb. Let's discuss the topic prepositional phrases. We have already discussed or we have already learned what is a preposition and what is a phrase. So what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words. And what is a preposition? Preposition is a word or group of words which connects a noun, a pronoun or noun phrase with other words in a sentence. So what do you mean by prepositional phrases? A prepositional phrase is a phrase which begins with a preposition and consists of a noun or a noun group. Let's take some examples for prepositional phrases. among friends, around the lake, through her hair, for my loving parents, by the garden gate, with me. All these prepositional phrases started with the prepositions. Prepositional phrases can be formed in two ways. Preposition plus noun or pronoun. For example, among friends. So first word is the preposition and the second word is a noun. Next one, with me. First word is a preposition, second word is a pronoun. Second way to form prepositional phrase. Preposition plus modifier plus noun or pronoun. The modifier can be a determiner, an adjective or an adverb. So here the given examples are for my loving parents. Here we started the prepositional phrase with the preposition for plus the modifier my loving adjective. Then parents noun. Second one, by the garden gate. Here we started the prepositional phrase with the preposition by plus the determiner the and the noun garden gate. So how can we frame or how can we form a prepositional phrase? Preposition plus noun or pronoun or preposition plus modifier plus noun or pronoun. The important thing related to prepositional phrase is a prepositional phrase must start with a preposition. Then we can add noun or pronoun or a modifier plus noun or pronoun. We have some activities related to preposition. Do that. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached. Watch the video. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.